So this is how much YouTube is currently paying me for every 1K views, which is my CPM. So I just want to show you guys these details today. Then on my next video, I'll have another topic related to this, which I wouldn't want to mention. So let's go ahead and let me show you what I'm currently earning for every of my 1K views. Some are higher, some are lower. I think these things are differs based on, the type of content I make. Before now, I used to have a higher CPM, but all of a sudden, the CPM started dropping, without wasting much of your time, let me show you guys how much I'm really making, from every of my 1K views. So let's go there. So guys, for every of my 1K views, some are above $2, while some are below $2, while some are at $1. So let me show you on my screen so you can see every details and when my CPM started dropping. So from what I have here on my screen, as you can see right now, for every of my 1K view, which is the CPM, this is how much I'm currently making. Every of my 1K views, my RPM, revenue for every 1K views, which is I'm currently making at $1.41. That's how much I'm currently making from every of my 1K views. Before it was at $2. It was at $2 exactly. So it dropped to 1.8 to 1.5 and then now to 1.41. So when this thing started dropping is when I started making this type of content. So when I started making this type of content, like road coverage and the rest, like construction of road and road coverage, most of those road coverage have a very low CPM and RPM, very, very low, so they have a very low CPM. So I don't know if advertisers are not paying much for it. So like this particular road construction, which I have just 160 views, is very, very low. Like the amount I make from it is low, including this. But there are some of my content which has not even gotten up to 500 views, and I've made $1 on it. And there are some that have gotten to 500 views, I've making $1. But some of this road coverage, construction and the rest, will just give me 1K views for $1. Some of them don't even reach $1. Some of them is below $1. So that is it. Then this type of travel vlog content also is getting me not that much high CPC, but at least it's trying. So I have like 2K views over here. If you check this content, I've made above more than $5. I think so. So let's check it out this way. I have something like let me look for this content. I think, okay. I'm coming, guys. Let it load. So like this type of content right now, I'm having 727 views here. Then if you scroll down, there are some of them that I have over 1K views, like this type of content, which is about road construction. I have 1K views over there. Then another one, this one 700, which is another road construction something. Then this is another one. Let me show you what I mean with this example. So let's go ahead and click on this article, then go to the analytics. My network, free me. Network. I think I'm having a very big network problem here. I don't know why. Okay, finally we are here. So, like this type of content, this road coverage of 18, I'm having 1.1k views here. As you can see, this one has already given me $2. It gave me $2. I'm having $2 here. This one did pretty well. This particular content that talks about road did pretty well. But if you leave that one, let's look for another one that also have 1k views. Okay, like this particular content, which is under construction and completed roads. Let's go to the analytics also. So you see what I'm saying. So some of those roads, the coverage stuff have a very low CPM and RPM. So that is it. And the earning tends to be poor. Like you see, I'm having 1.1k views here with just 7 subscribers, and I have 1.5 $1.45. That's what I'm having here. So for 1k views for this one. So let me show you guys another thing. Okay. I have a video that is even below 500 views, and I've made $1.16 with it. So I think so. Like this particular video now is at 584 views, and I've made above $1 from this video. So some of the videos are doing pretty well, while some are not doing okay. Like especially those road coverage that I'm talking about. Some of those road coverage are not giving me what I want. So some of those road coverage, immediately I started posting about road coverage and the rest, like road construction, my RPM, CPM, everything started dropping. So that is it for this particular one. So let's scroll down again, and let me search for this. Let me search for another one. Okay, like this travel vlog which I made from one popular beach in Anambra State. It did pretty well. I'm having just 2,100 and something views with it, and I've made over, I think, over 5.50 with it. You can see. Okay, I'm having 2,172 views with it, made 20 subscribers and $5.50 with it. So this video for me, not for me, from my previous video which I have on my channel, I think this one is performing very okay. Even performing very well, more than some of my how-tos video. Like I have some how-to videos on my channel. I have some how-to videos that this particular content did pretty well more than, So that is how much I'm currently earning from every of my 1k views. For every of my 1k views now, I'm earning below $2, which is at 1.5, $1.45. That's what I'm currently making from every of my 1k views. So that is it. So covering, that's why I stopped, I minimized the coverage of some road construction, but those road construction, honestly, they have traffic. People are searching for it. Like people want to watch the level of development that is currently going on, especially in Southeast Nigeria. So that road construction project and other construction, people want to watch about them. So it tends to give you traffic. It tends to make you even above, to get you even above 1k views within 24 hours, you understand? So that is it on your long form video, not short form. So that is it for that one. But the CPC somehow is very low. The CPM and the CPC is very low. You can see it here. So it's a very low CPC. Okay, just like this, my content, how to withdraw your money on TikTok, whatever. this particular thing, it's trying his best, but compare it to this particular content, which is this my travel vlog content. This particular one is doing very, very well more than this. I've shown you this one before. This one is making me above $5 under 2.1k views. Then this one is around going towards 7k views, which is my highest video so far on this YouTube. It's my highest video, the highest video I've gotten the highest views on this YouTube. So it's making me with almost going to 7k views. It's making me less than even $20. It's just making me what I have aimed from it. I think right now is $12. If anything has added to it, I don't know. Just let's wait and allow it to load. I'm having network problem. Okay, we are getting there. Okay, finally we are here. So as you can see, I have now we have gotten to 7k views. Like I said earlier, the last time I checked it was at 6.9, but now is at 7,020 views. That's what I have gotten from here so far. So as you can see, my watch time in it is 250.1. Then I have gotten 47 subscribers, and he has given me $12.33. So if you check it out, you see that that travel vlog which I showed you before, making me $5, is performing way better than this my video right now. Just equate that video with this. Let's say that video at 2k views is the one making me 7k views right now. I should be aiming at not less than $15 if I'm not mistaken, because a 1k views now is giving me $2 some cents. So if you kind of equate the mathematics, you'll be having not less than $14 with these 7k views. So that is it. So currently this is how much I'm just making from my every 1k views. And for audience waiting for me for road coverage, I'll be doing so, but I'll not be doing that often again, because I noticed that it's dropping my my CPC and my RPM, everything. So I'll be doing it just to entertain my audience, but not often anymore. So for now, this is all I have. And in my next video I have something else to show you guys. So in case if you have any questions, or maybe what you think I did not explain well in this video, because I'm trying to capture all this RPM stuff, CPC stuff, and the CPM stuff. It's kind of confusing me somehow sometimes. So but I'm trying to get all of them very, very soon. So if you know better than me, please kindly drop comment in my comment section, to put me more through. I'm still learning, I'm just a novice in this particular field. So kindly drop comments. Don't just like, drop comments for me, and also share the videos for me also. And don't forget to subscribe to help me out. And please subscribe. So, and that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day.